Hello, I'm Colm Clarke. I'm part of the team at the ASIS International Brussels Bureau. The ASIS is the leading global association for security professionals. We have members and chapters all over the world. I'm excited to be speaking at this year's European Association Summit. I'll be talking about how technology innovation has impacted our members' business environment and therefore how that has changed their learning and education needs. My presentation will focus on how we redesigned our annual European event to make sure that it was a vital gathering for both established and aspiring security leaders. So I hope to meet you here in Brussels on the 28th of February and the 1st of March at the European Association Summit. It's going to be a great gathering to exchange ideas and best practice and to talk more about the common challenges that we face.